10 on your side is your local election headquarters. Today, though, it was a previous campaign at the forefront of a Virginia Beach court case.
Yeah, a candidate for Senate is accused in a defamation case for campaign advertising when she ran for the Virginia House of Delegates. 10 on your side's Andy Fox is here with what happened in court.
Well, Delegate Cheryl Turpin, she's running for the Senate. It's 15 days before Election Day. This is not where her name would be, she thought, right before the election. She was not in the court at the time. She launched a direct mail piece against her then opponent, Delegate Rocky Holcomb, whom she beat, aligning him with someone she defined in a mailer as the leader of a local hate group. This is Scott Pressler, and on June 11, 2017, you could hear him at a Mount Trashmore rally talking about Muslims.
Act for America is not anti-Muslim. We are anti-radical Islam.
At the time, he was the local leader of Act for America, thought to be anti-Muslim, and according to this Cheryl Turpin campaign mailer, stated he was the leader of a local hate group, which is an opinion, and opinions are protected by the First Amendment. Pressler filed a defamation lawsuit against Delegate Turpin and her campaign manager, their attorney, Jeffrey Bright.
First Amendment should protect speech, political speech, for a public figure. Clearly, he's a public figure. He's the activist for a group. He's the coordinator. He was the coordinator for this group.
Pressler says he is not a public figure. His lawyer, who did not want to comment, argued in court Turpin's First Amendment protection for the mail piece should not apply to Pressler. That Pressler was maligned by Turpin's statements. He had a joint rally with a known neo-Nazi.
Mr. Pressler had posted on Facebook videos endorsing Mr. Holcomb and supporting Mr. Holcomb.
Turpin's legal team also points out Pressler injected himself into the public arena by quotes as an official defending Act for America.
The judges ruled that those allegations are not sufficient to address a prejudice in his profession or an unfitness to perform his job as a political activist, which he says that he is.
It's a court story, but it's also a political story and gives us insight into how far you can go with political commercials. Judge Pamela Baskerville dismissed 3 of Pressler's 4 counts against Turpin, but took under advisement, she was troubled by it, the main count of defamation. Turpin used the mail piece against her opponent, Rocky Holcomb, who says he does not know Pressler and only had the picture with him because as a candidate, he takes pictures with supporters. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.